Hey guys, welcome to 12th CSS tutorial for beginners by World Free Apps. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about the background color, how to change your background color, the background image, how to add a image in the background of your web page, and the background repeat, and also about the background attachment property. So let's begin our tutorial. So open your notepad plus plus or any other text editor in which you are going to create your CSS and HTML file. So choose here the language as HTML and here as the CSS. Sorry guys for not any upload yesterday because I was busy in uploading video on my youtube.com/Ganesh Pagadia channel. So sorry for that. So let's create our HTML file. So start HTML tag, close the HTML tag. Now start the head tag, close the head tag. Now start the body tag. Now close the body tag. Now let me add the link rel equals to style sheet. After that href element. Here the name of the CSS file which you want to link with this HTML file. I want to link this CSS file and I am gonna to save this CSS file as in this name. I am gonna to save it as tutorial CSS tutorial 10th example. Okay, save and type here the name of the CSS file example.css. Now let me add something here in the body. Let's add a paragraph p tag here, close the p tag. Now this is a paragraph. Now save it as 10th example. Remove this .css, save. Now let me modify our CSS file. Add here body tag, so all the body elements in so all the HTML elements inside this body tag will be in background. So now the background color of your web page or the body color of the web page become red, for example, semicolon. Now save it. Now run this HTML file in your browser. You can see the background color of the web page turns into red or change into red. So you can use other like as hexadecimal uh, color value for changing the color and other RGB type value for changing the color of the web page. The web background color values. The color of the background can be defined using three formats: color name, hexadecimal value, and RGB. So you can also define a color by hexadecimal in this way. For example, 0000 F. Let me count them. Yes, they are 6. So run it in your browser. Let's see which color. Okay, it shows black color. Okay, what happened when I write here F and run it again in my browser? It is blue color. and you can change your background color by using RGB values also. So apply here RGB brackets. Now the value of the red color, comma, green and then blue. Let the green and the blue values be 0 and run this in your browser. You can see it shows red color, and when I apply here 200 for example, let's see what will it going to be show, what color be going to show in my browser. It's yellow. So by using this background color property, you can change the background of your web page.